Question number 5, in the Venn diagram, we have S are the people that study science, A are the people that study art, M are the people that study music. Out of 47 people, there are 23 that study science. I'm going to put a little 47 up here to remind me that everything inside this little universe is 47. 23 that study science. I'm going to put a little 23 beside the S to remind me that everything in this circle is 23. 25 study art. I'm going to put a little 25 beside the A to remind me that everything in this circle is 25. 39 and 29 study music, so I'm going to put a little 29 here beside the M to remind me that there are 29 people inside this circle. We're told that 39 people study science or study music. I'm going to put a little 39 here to say that in these two circles are 39 people. 13 people study science and study art. Study science and art is this little football-shaped region right here. I'm going to put a little 13 on the border between this part and this part to tell me that there are 13 in here. 13 people study science and music. Science and music is this region. I'm going to put a little 13 right there on the border to tell me that this region is 13 as well. Then we're told 13 people study art and study music. Art and music is in this region here. I'm going to put a little 13 on this border. 5 people study science and study art. So there are 5 right here. If there are 5 right here and 13 here, that means this has to be 8. 8 plus 5 make 13. Same thing here, has to be an 8. Same thing here, has to be an 8. Then we know that we have 29 people in this circle. And so far we have 8 and 8, 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 to get to 29, 29 take away 21 is 8. We need a little 8 here. Over here we have 21 so far in the red, and we have 25 in this circle. This has to be a 4. Up here, we have 21. We're trying to get to 23. This has to be a 2. I know in these two circles, I have 39. Add this 4, that gives us 43. I'm trying to get to 47. This has to be a 4. We filled in all of the little boxes. Find P of M, the probability that a randomly chosen person studies music. We know there are 29 people that study music out of 47. Desired outcomes out of total outcomes, 29 out of 47. Find the probability of S and M. S and M, there are 13 people in S and M. That's this football-shaped region here. 13 out of 47. Find the probability of S given M, the probability that a randomly chosen person studies science given that they study music. You can figure this out logically. They study music. What's the probability that they also study science? There are 29 people that study music, and there are 13 people that study science and music. The people that study science within the music circle is 13 out of the 29. Or we can use our formula that says the probability of S given M is the probability of S and M out of the probability of M, which is S and M is 13 out of 47. Divided by the probability of M, 29 out of 47, which gives us 13 out of 47 times 47 out of 29. Cancel the 47s. That gives us 13 out of 29 again. And that's it for question number 5. Have a good day.